Hello everyone. Today we are going to see few frequently asked computer science general knowledge questions. 71st question is 1ZB is equal to 1ZB. ZB means zettabyte. Z means zettabyte. Okay. 1ZB is equal to 10 to power of 70. Okay, sorry, 2 power 70. 1ZB is equal to 2 power 70. I already said memory units or memory sizes are measured with base 2. 2 to power of 70 means it is zettabyte. 2 to power of 10 means it is kilobyte. 2 to power of 70 means zettabyte. 2 to power of 30 means it is gigabyte. 2 to power of 40 means it is terabyte. Okay, one second, let me tell. 2 to power of 10 means kilobyte. 2 to power of 70 means zettabyte. 2 to power of 30 means it is gigabyte. 2 to power of 40 means it is terabytes. We are expressing in powers of 2, that is 2 to power of 10, like that. And the next question is 72nd question is 1ZB. 1 zettabyte is equal to, and the answer is 10 to power of 21, that is 10 to power of 21. Here we are expressing in base 2. Here we are expressing in base 10. I have made a separate video on memory sizes and memory units. If you see that video, you can easily answer any question on memory size. Let me recap that concept. See, memory units, we can technically we measure it in terms of base 2, but in general we also use base 10 also to measure the memory size. We can use base 2 and base 10 also. The right technical right answer we will get if you use base 2, but sometimes we use base 10 also. Okay, let me clarify this one. Okay, we will start from kilobyte. Okay, 2 to power of 10 means it will be kilobyte. Then 2 to power of 20 means it will be megabyte. 2 to power of 30 it will be gigabyte. 2 to power of 40 it will be gigabyte. Next it's terabyte. 2 to power of 50 means it will be petabyte. 2 to power of 60 it will be exabytes. Okay, next 2 to power of 70 it will be zettabyte. After that 2 to power of 80 it will be yottabyte. These are expressed with base 2. This is the exact right answer, because if you do the calculation you will get the memory sizes exactly what they are. But in general we also use base 10 to get the memory sizes. It is not an exact match, but in general sometimes we use base 10 also. So in this case 2 to power of 3 means kilobyte. Then 2 to power of 6 means it will be megabyte, MB. 2 to power of 9 means it is gigabyte. 2 to power of 12 means it is terabyte. 2 to power of 15 means it will be petabyte. Okay, then 2 to power of 18 means it will be considered as exabytes. Okay, 2 to power of 18 is exabyte. In the same way, 2 to power, it is 10, right? Sorry, it is 10 to power of 18. Okay, 10 to power of 18. 10 to power of 18 means exabyte. 10 to power of 21 means zettabyte. And the last one is 10 to power of 24 means yottabyte. Okay, so if you see this one now, you can easily understand 2 powers and 10 powers. Okay, I have made a separate video on memory sizes. You just check out, you will understand everything. Okay, now let us see 73rd question. What does 73rd question says? Okay, 73rd question. 1 GB is equal to 10 to power of 9. Okay, 10 to power of 9 is called as the 1 gigabyte. But if you consider in base 2, it will be gigabyte means 10 to power of 30. You have to understand 10 to power of 30 is the right answer. Sometimes we use 10 to power of 9 also. Okay. Next 1 EB, 1 exabyte is equal to 10 to power of 18. 10 to power of 18 means 1 followed by 18 zeros. That is 1 exabyte is equal to 10 to power of 18. Now let us see 75th question. What does 75th question says? 75th question says that is 1 petabyte. 1 petabyte is equal to 10 to power of 50. 1 petabyte is equal to 10 to power of 50. If you consider the base 10, it will be 10 to power of 15. Okay, this is the exact calculation. This is general calculation which is very easy to remember. So people consider this one. That is the 75th question. Now let us see 76th question. What does 76th question says? Okay, 76th question. What does 1000 bytes represent? 1000 bytes means 1000 bytes. Okay, 1000 bytes means 1 kilobyte. But we normally know that 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes. Okay, 1 KB is equal to 1024 bytes, which is equal to 2 to power of 10. Okay, but in general people do say that 1000 bytes is equal to 1 KB. So the right answer is 1 kilobyte. Okay, 1000 represent 1 kilobyte, that is 10 to power of 3. Okay, earlier I explained in this video that see KB, 1 KB means 10 to power of 3 bytes, that is 1000 bytes, or also we can say 2 to power of 10, that will be 1024 bytes. Exactly, this is the calculation, but in general people say like this. So you have to understand both. If I consider MB also, MB means that is 10 to power of 6, that is 1 followed by 6 zeros, that is 1 million. In the same way, if you consider 2 to power of 20 means that will be 1024 KB. It is not byte, now it is 1024 KB. And the next question is, what does 1 billion represent? 1 billion bytes means 1 followed by 9 zeros. 1 followed by 9 zeros, it will be 1 billion, means 10 to power of 9. 10 to power of 9 means it will be gigabyte, right? And the answer is see, gigabyte. Okay, gigabyte. 1 billion means 1 followed by 9 zeros, that is 10 to power of 9. 10 to power of 9 means gigabytes, and the answer is gigabyte. In the same way, terabytes means 10 to power of 12, 1 followed by 12 zeros, that is it is called as the terabyte. Now let's understand the 78th question. What does it say? 78th question. What is the storage capacity of CD? CD stands for compact disk. CD stands for compact disk. What is the storage capacity of compact disk? It is 650 MB to 700 MB. The storage capacity of a compact disk is 650 MB, that is megabyte, to 700 MB, megabyte. And the 79th question is single-sided, single-layer DVD. DVD stands for Digital Versatile Disk. DVD, Digital Versatile Disk, stores data of up to 4.7 GB, that is 4.7 gigabytes of data. And here you have to notice that it is single-sided and single-layer. Single-sided, single layers of DVD store 4.7 GB of data. Now let us check out the last question of today's video, that is 80th question, that is single sided double layer. See, in the earlier question they asked single sided single layer. Here they are asking single sided double layer DVD, and the answer is 8.5 GB. See, single sided and single layer, single side and single layer, it shows how much? 4.7 GB of data. And single side, but double layer, 2 layers, it stores 8.5 GB of data. So while reading the question, you have to carefully understand what they are asking. Okay, these are the 10 most important questions which are frequently asked in computer science. So before watching this video, there is a video on memory units and memory size where I have explained what is memory, all these things. First you check out that video, that is a very important video. After that, if you see this video, you can easily understand the concept much better. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.